how to stream on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can stream on YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to stream on YouTube, it is actually quite very simple. You just go to studio.youtube.com. Now there are some eligibility requirements. If you want to stream or go live, you can use different tools such as maybe OBS Studio to get started, or many of the other tools that are available, or you can just click the create option here and just click on the go live option here. Once you click on the go live option, you should be able to set up your live stream by clicking on the start option. You can be able to schedule it. So depending on what you want to do, you can click the start option, and then now you can begin streaming on YouTube. This way you'll be able to stream on YouTube. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.